All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have another case review for you on this one. So this is the Caseology Parallax for the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. I picked it up on Amazon for $15.99 with Prime shipping. I literally got it the next morning. Now with this particular one, there are 4 colors. So I have the matte black one here in front of you, but there is burgundy, midnight blue, and midnight green, and those are all in stock currently on Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into this box a little bit here. So I'm just going to put the phone here. Now the box itself, nothing special, just like the other box that I did a review on, the dual grip. You got just a generic box with a pull tab here, Caseology there, some different patterns here as far as the box goes, a picture of the Parallax series case on an iPhone 12 Pro, and then it does once again say it's for the iPhone 6.1 inch 2020. And then on the side here, there's nothing except the patterns. On this side, patterns with Caseology branding. And then on the back, you got your Caseology logo. And then just some verbiage here, but mainly it just talks about the dimensions and all that. So other than that, that's it. If you can't tell, a lot of it looks very similar to Spigen cases, and it is because they're the one and the same. So let's go ahead and pop this out here. So you got the case inside of this plastic wrap, just like they normally do come in. And then you do have a little bit of some verbiage here. So just a little accordion style type thing. It says, you know, welcome to the club. We're happy to have you. And then it does just say, like, you know, thank you for trusting us, blah, 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 blah. So nothing special there. Now I want to show you the inside of the case itself first, and then I'll slap it on. So the inside of the case has what they call an inner defense pattern. So if you're familiar with like the spiderweb pattern that Spigen has, it's very similar. It's kind of got some grooves to it a little bit, has a Caseology logo there. At the bottom, it does say Caseology branding there. And then it does say it's the Parallax series for the Apple phone. Now also in the corners, it does have cushioned corners. So like the airspace technology is how they call it. They're cushioned corners. So as you can see there, there is a cushioned corners on each corner of the inside of the phone case itself. So that helps with drop protection. It is military grade as far as drop tested, certified. So that is good to know. Now it is a 2-piece case. So if you want to pop off this, then I'll show y'all just for the case purposes. So you just literally just take out the case if you want to. I personally won't, but I just wanted to show y'all for video purposes that it is a 2-part case. So you have a hard polycarbonate bumper. So it's a matte black bumper. And then you have a kind of a matte black texturized soft TPU case as well. So basically the way to put it on is you literally just snap it back on, you know, just kind of get it all tacky and connected in there. So you can see like right there, you just want to make sure you push it in. And that's it. So pretty easy there. So let's go ahead and grab the phone and put that on real fast. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So the way I should have done it was do it with this off first, but I just want to show you that you can put the phone on without having to take it apart. So I always start from the top and bottom left corner, and then I just kind of push down. And there we have it. So there is the case on the black iPhone 12. So it does have this like 3D kind of textured pattern on there. So it does kind of help with grip a little bit. The matte bumpers definitely help as well with the grip. So it's kind of this different 2 tones of, you know, got your hard polycarbonate bumper portions that are coming through here that has the Caseology logo. You got your 3D textured pattern there on the back. And then of course up here, it's a little bit smoother pattern. So it kind of gives you more of that 3D effect with these different patterns on the back. So it looks very cool, looks very professional, very high class looking. As far as the camera bump cutout goes, it does have a lip there. It's a 2mm lip on the around the camera bump there. So it's going to give you that security of being able to place the phone back down as far as all that goes. There is no wobble at all on this case as well, just to let y'all know. And then as far as the lip on the front of the phone goes, it does have a lip on the front of the phone. It's a 1.5 millimeter lip, so it is going to give you, once again, that added security of being able to put it face down on the phone, or face down on a tabletop of some sort. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the sides here. So we got your volume up and down buttons. You got your alert slider cut out there with the Caseology branding on the actual side or corner there. And then at the bottom, you can kind of see where the soft TPU and hard polycarbonate bumper meet. So it kind of gives you that two-tone look there. Got your speaker grill cutouts and your lightning port cutout there. So we're good there. And then on the side, you have your power button there that sticks through. And then of course nothing at top. So let's go ahead and do the alert slider test here. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to do. So very easy. Of course you're always going to want to use a little bit of your fingernail there, but no problems at all with that. Let's go ahead and do the volume up and down buttons real quick. So let's start with that. Volume up, volume down. Now let's go ahead and do the power button. So the power button is very tacky, a lot more tackier than the volume up and down buttons, but just something to point out there. Now let's go ahead and check out the MagSafe capabilities. So I have my MagSafe charger here. So let's go ahead and throw that on and see if it's MagSafe compatible. Huh, okay. Interesting. So it's grabbing, but it's not doing the animation that it normally does. So it's showing that it's charging, but it's not showing that it's, there we go. Okay, so that was a little odd. So that's something to think about, guys. So the case isn't super thin. I mean, it is a slim case, as you can see, but with this pattern here, I don't know if it's really affecting that MagSafe capability, but now it's jumping right on. So as you can see, it just grabs the back of the case. See, it's weird. It's because it's on and it's showing it's charging, but it's not giving that animation. So I don't know, something to think about, but obviously it is MagSafe compatible. It just might not give you that animation right off the bat, but once again, definitely MagSafe compatible. I have a tempered glass on my phone here, and as you can see, I have no issues at all with the tempered glass. There's a nice amount of spacing there to be able to not interfere with my screen. So all in all, guys, if you like a case that looks like this, looks a little more professional, looks a little more high class, if you will, then this is definitely a case to grab for $15.99. I personally, so far, like the dual grip better, and it's the more cheaper of the bunch so far. This does look way more premium, obviously, but for me, I don't know. I don't know if I would use it as a daily driver for myself. That's not a knock on the case. The case is really, really nice, but I like simple, and this is a simple case, but like I said, for me, it's just a personal preference. But let me know, guys, if you like this case. So hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, keep an eye out for some of my other reviews, and we'll go from there, guys. So see you on the next one.